Good morning, Manteca High. My name is Monse, and this is a Manteca Minute for April 21st, 2023. We've got some good information for you all, so let's not waste any time. Roll the intro. The Buffalo Honors Assembly will be taking place today during second period in the winter gym. Any student who has achieved a GPA of 4 and up or is getting their Scholastic Block M will be honored. Congratulations to all that are attending today. Attention seniors, Manteca High's time-honored tradition of Baccalaureate is right around the corner. Baccalaureate is a time to reflect on your years in high school and thank your parents for all they have done. There are several ways to be involved in Baccalaureate. If you would like to be included in the senior slideshow, please email 3 to 5 photos to mantecaseniorslideshow@gmail.com. If you have any questions about the senior slideshow, please see Ms. Creighton in room 61. If you would like to present a poster message to your parents, please see Ms. Tober in room 63. The deadline for photo and poster messages is Monday, May 1st. Every 15 minutes, also known as E15, is a 2-day program focusing on high school seniors, which challenges them to think about driving while drunk, personal safety, and the responsibility of making mature decisions. Along with alcohol-related crashes, it focuses on the impact that their decisions would have on family and friends. The crash will be taking place at Gus Schmidt Stadium at 10 a.m. on April 27th. And the funeral will be on April 28th. For more coverage on the event, check out the articles that will be posted on www.mhsthetower.com. And that's all we have for today. Until next time, roll on, Buffs.